Aking channel. Nak, can you take this away?
Wait.
Please. Take this away, please. No. It might break.
I did that already.
Yeah. Ayan. I-DIY natin to, guys. These are from $3. Yeah. $3. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin dito sa mga vase na to, sa vase na to, is i-paint natin. Kasi meron na kaming paint. Meron yan, nabili kahapon. Gold paint. So, i-paint natin to. But first, huhugasan muna natin. Lilinisin muna natin siya sa baba. Let's go downstairs. Nak, bring this one, please. Thank you. Sobrang lamig dito ngayon.
Nights are cool now.
Ito, huhugasan muna natin. So, ayan, nahugasan na natin siya. Itong ating glass. Huhugasan na natin. So, ito yung ating paint na nabili, guys. Yan. So, kapag na-dry na yun, ipipaint natin yun at ating table. Yan. See you later!
Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. Today we're gonna make brownies.
Yes, we are going to make brownies.
Milk chocolate. Make sure you buy this in Walmart. And
Johan thought it was cake, but it's not cake. It's brownies.
yeah, you need 3 tablespoons of water. One half cup.
1 cup. May I see? Half cup vegetable
Half cup
oil.
vegetable oil. Fine. Oven temperature is supposed to be 350 Fahrenheit. Bake time in minutes is 24 or 26. Add wait, Mom, I can do that.
Okay.
For fruity chew, add half cup dried cherries, cranberries, or coconuts. I wish I would have coconuts. Okay, then stir brownie mix, which I already put, water, which I already put, oil and eggs, which I already put, in a medium bowl until well blended. Spread it. Is this medium? Large? Medium?
Medium.
You're supposed to put medium or large. It doesn't matter because doesn't matter. Can I open the door, guys? Because when Mom was cleaning the oven, I smelled something gross. It was like polluted inside here when Mommy was cleaning the oven. So I opened the door, and then I had fresh air. Of course, it smells gross like that.
What? Tastes good?
Delicious.
Really?
Guys, you gotta taste the batter. It tastes so good.
Oh my goodness. It's okay. Are you gonna put it back again? Oh my. Okay.
Guys, do not do this. Do not do this. It says do not do this. I forgot. I thought
But it's okay because this is for us.
I forgot that. I thought it was like
Let's wait for the oven. If the oven is
Is
done.
this raw? Is this raw?
Yeah.
It's raw and I ate it. Oh my goodness. I might have a tummy ache later.
This is okay now, guys. So, let's wait the oven na mag-init siya. And then, I'm gonna put it inside the oven.
Keep stirring it until 8 minutes is done. Oh, until well blended. You can stop.
Okay.
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 Get out.
See you later, guys. Yes, milk chocolate brownie.
Mom, Why last time I eat raw batter, but it didn't taste, but it's batter that I wish I would eat this more, but it's not for my tummy.
Okay, come on. Come on, lagay mo na,
It's
anak.
cooked. You gotta grease it. Grease it first. Okay.
Be
I
careful.
can do this.
Yeah, I know.
Middle. Do this in the middle.
Yes, good job, boy. Wow, very good ang anak ko. Yes, there you go.
I'm like 6 years old, so I can do this. When you're 2 or 1 more months, I'm gonna be 7.
Wow, thank you.
Our
guys. Thank you, anak. And then, okay.
I wish I would eat this more, but I can't.
Okay. Ayan, antayin na lang natin yung oven na uminit. Yeah. And then, who's gonna put it inside the oven? You.
You.
Okay.
No, furnace.
Okay. We're gonna put it here first.
Okay, wait.
Yay!
We wait because we didn't. Oh.
We made chocolate brownie. Okay, see you later, guys.
Nope.
I know. Like 26. Or maybe let's make it 24 first. Yan. It says there 24, 26 minutes. We're gonna make it 24 first. Ayan. Lalagay na natin sa loob. Ayan. See you later.
About baking, you gotta cool it down. The first bite, it doesn't taste really good, but the next day, it will taste really, a few months, it will taste really good.
A few months.
Or a few days.
Yeah. Yeah. Can I try? Good.
See, Mom, it's getting dark.
Yeah, it's like that. Yummy.
Because it's supposed to get dark. You're not gonna take mine.
It's yummy.
Look at yours, right there.
Okay. There's a lot more there. But we have to cool it down first. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for
You can run around.
joining us.
Or you can make it outside.
Okay, see you in our next video. Lamigin muna natin siya. Sarap.